Right, hello and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer. If you are brand new here, welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. In today's video, I'd like to create a small series on how to create backlinks, but not just link building and creating backlinks, but creating some of the most powerful backlinks that you can find online. So in this video, online. So in this video, in this series video, I'm going to make a series. I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and start creating some of the most powerful backlinks online. And this will be a series. So please, let's just dive right in. First and foremost, I'm going to show you the type of link that is absolutely wonderful. And the reason why I'm doing this is I work with it's a partner, and we are noticing that there is an influx in the market of newer people starting to push these types of links, and they have dramatically dropped the price. So I talked with them, and I've decided to give all of this information away to you for free. So let's just dive right into it now. So I want to go ahead and show you one of the links that you can create very simple, very cheaply. And you can do this on a mass scale. I have seen people offering this backlink link building method, this service, for upwards of $200. This is probably the least saturated method because it's the hardest to accomplish. However, it's really not, and I'm going to walk you through it. But I'm going to show you the link. Up in my top right-hand corner, I have the Moz bar installed. I can highlight do follow links. Purple is no follow. Green is followed links, as you can see. Okay, so I want to go ahead and scroll down. This is a free app. These are very easy to create. This is just one. Okay, I'm not saying this is mine. I'm not saying this is anything to do with me. This is simply an example, okay, of the type of link that you will get that is do follow. Now, if you take a look at this type of game, Android game, it's something that you give away free. That is key here, okay? It has to be free, all right? Free gets passed right in. It's very simple to get the free ones accepted. So if you scroll down here, see where it says developer information, and you can create your app around your business. I mean, this could be a quiz on, let's say you have a car rental company. It's a quiz on car rentals. It could be a quiz on anything. It could be a game on anything. It could be a background. I mean, the possibilities are really endless, but here's the link. Here's followed links. As you can see, this takes you right to the website. It's a do follow link on a product page. This isn't from just some random page or other linking methods like I've maybe shown before. This is a product page with a do follow on it. You have your own page, and let me show you what you have to do it. So if you're a developer, awesome. This would be very simple for you to do. If you're not a developer, I'm going to go ahead and show you on Fiverr what you'd be searching for. Now, you could scroll up here to the top and put create Android app. Now, when you get in here, there will be some pricing differences, but my recommendation would be find somebody, right? That's what we did. Find somebody that is offering this service at a relatively low cost. Here's one right here. I will create an Android app in Android Studio for $5. So now you have your application, right? They can make that. You can make an agreement with them. Make me 10 of them. Pre-make 10. Right? Maybe you want to offer this service. Maybe you want 10 separate links, because there are numerous Amazon sites. There's Amazon.der, there's a bunch of them, not just the regular. Okay, so keep that in mind. But anyway, so you would head over here to Fiverr. There's other places you can go. You can get the apps made for $5, okay? I'm sure if you wanted 10 small ones that were all the same, but there was just some modifications, you could probably get them even cheaper than that. Now, once you have done this, what you're going to do is go head on over here to Google. Now, it's Amazon Developer, right? So Amazon Developer Services. So this is what you would do. You're going to have your Amazon account. You're going to sign in. What you're going to do is go to your developer console and you're going to create your account, okay? Now, as you can see, I've already had an account. But this is the process that you would go through to submit it. But what I've done is I've actually pulled up a walkthrough of exactly how it works and what you have to do. And this is a simple process. Now you can go right here to docs.monaca.io. And this right here will walk you through the process of what you have to do to sign up, which is simple. What you have to do to submit your app, which is simple. And all of the process is simply right here. Go to availability and pricing. Go to the description tab. Go to the binary file. Release the app. You can do a demo, you can do the inquiry, Amazon badges for the App Store for Android, and there's numerous steps, but at the end of the day, you can get it made for $5 and some time. And what you would end up with is a do follow backlink with your own product page right here, just like this. As you can see here, developer information. I have my Moz bar installed, showing the do follow links. And as you can see, when you scroll down, here is the do follow link going to this developer's page. Here it is, no redirect, right? This is a straight do follow from Amazon.com. As you can see, this page right here is a DA96. So if you're interested in receiving your own product page, if you're interested in getting a DA96 backlink that's do follow from Amazon that will be niche relevant because you can create your app around your brand, your business, whatever your service may be. I'm sure you're very creative. This is going to be video 1 in this series. I'm going to walk you through each method, each strategy, complimentary for you. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not, if I planted the seed, but you still hated this video for some reason, go ahead, give me a thumbs down, and I will see you in the next SEO backlinking link building video. You have a wonderful day.